Hello friends, welcome to Birans Academy. I am Pramila. Today we will going to cover one important theorist from structuralism and the post-structuralism which is there in your unit 5. And you can see the picture here. He was Ferdinand Saussure. Okay. So his time period was 1857 to 1913. Okay, his time period was 1857 to 1913. Ferdinand Saussure was a Swiss linguist and semiotic whose ideas laid a foundation for many significant developments of both in linguistic and semiotic in 20th century. And first of all, remember that Ferdinand Saussure was the father of structuralism. Okay, he developed the idea of studying the language of literature, a text focusing words and grammars. Okay, so here he is regarded as the father of structuralism. Okay, father of structuralism, and he developed the idea of studying the language, of literary text focusing on grammar and words. Okay, so Ferdinand Saussure was a Swiss linguistic and semiotic. Okay, and his ideas, the ideas which he has given, that laid the foundation for many significant development for linguistic and semiotics in 20th century. And American social ideas informed the distributionalism of Leonard Bloomfield. Okay, distributionalism of Leonard Bloomfield. Try to remember all the names. Then it is a seminal linguistic work. That is, it is a seminal linguistic work. Which one? That is formed the distributionalism of Leonard Bloom. Okay. So it is a seminal linguistic work. Here the seminal linguistic work was that is course general linguistic. Okay, here it is a seminal work, that is course general in linguistic, and he is the pioneer of structuralism. As I have mentioned in the beginning, that is, he is the father of structuralism, and he developed the idea of studying the language of literature, literary text focusing on words and grammars. Okay, he is widely considered as one of the father of 20th century. Okay, father of 20th century linguistic, and one of the two major father, that is together with Charles Sanders Peirce of semiotics and semiology. Okay, next we will discuss some of the major work of Saussure. Okay, so Ferdinand Saussure was very much important, but his key points are there, that much important for your examination. That is important works and the important terms which he has coined. Okay, that is the major work of Saussure, that is Memoir on the Primitive System of Vowels in Indo-European Language, which published on 1878. Okay, that is Memoir on the Primitive System of Vowels in the Indian European Language, which published on 1876. Then on the use of genitive absolute in Sanskrit, that is doctoral dissertations presented to the faculty of philosophy of Leipzig University. Okay, these are the two important major work, and he has written this much work, and it is very much important. Just remember that. Okay. Then we will see the very important terms coined by Ferdinand de Saussure, that is language and parallel. Okay, lingua and parallel. So first one, what is lingua? It means lingua. It means a language. Okay, language is a system of sign. Excuse me. Sorry. System of sign that expresses idea. And is therefore comparable to a system of writing the alphabet of deaf minute, the systematic rites, polite formulation, and military signals, etc. Okay, language, it means a language. Language is a system of sign. Understood? Language is a system of sign that express the idea. The language is a particular system of sign which express the idea. Understood? गोटे language आम पढ़ले से गोटे साइन जद्वारा कि आम किसी आइडिया को एक्सप्रेस कर and is therefore comparable to a system of writing the alphabet of deaf minute, the system of rites, polite formulas, military signals, etc. Okay. ସେଠି ଆଲଫାବେଟ୍ସ ଥାଉଛି, ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଟାଇପ୍ ଅଫ୍ ସିମ୍ବଲ୍ସ ଥାଉଛି, ଫର୍ମୁଲାସ୍ କିଛି ଥାଉଛି, ସିଗ୍ନାଲ୍ସ ଥାଉଛି. ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟୁଡ୍? ଗୋଟେ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜକୁ ବୁଝିବା ପାଇଁ. ଦେନ୍ वी विल मूव ऑन टू द पैरल. पैरल मीन्स इट मीन्स ए स्पीच. ओके, लैंग्वेज होची लैंग्वा होची इट मीन्स ए लैंग्वेज. पैरल होची गोटे स्पीच. एटा मन रखिबो जे पैरल मीन्स इट मीन्स ए स्पीच. Writing is also an example of parallel. Okay, right, we can take the writing is also an example of parallel because each act of writing, okay, each act of writing a letter, word or sentence is similar to voicing a letter words on sentences. Understood? जे आमे जहाँ भी लिखिबा, सपोज लिखिबा गोटे एक्ट ऑफ राइटिंग ए लेटर, गोटे लेटर लिखिबा बा गोटे वर्ड सेंटेंस. ओके, दैट इज सिमिलर टू वॉइस. जेहेतु आम ताको एक्सप्रेस करुचे थ्रू आवर लैंग्वेज. ओके, थ्रू आवर राइटिंग. अंडरस्टूड? दैट इज पैरल. बुझीपार लैंग्वा एंड पैरल, एंड दीज आर द टू इम्पोर्टेंट मेन की पॉइंट ऑफ आवर Ferdinand de Saussure. Okay, and this much is important for Ferdinand de Saussure. If you have any kind of doubt regarding Ferdinand de Saussure, you can ask me or message me also. Thank you for the class.